Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm just going to shoot a quick little caution video. If you have a Hobie Outback, this is a 2021, you're probably tempted to try the Boonedox landing gear. Now, I will say right up front that before I even show you what this experience has been, I'm still moving forward with the Boonedox landing gear, but I'm doing it differently. So, let me flip this around right quick. Boonedox now has an option, here's the knuckles, called the track kit. Now, I'm going to assume that the actual intention of the track kit is for the pro angler because it has metal rails in the back. However, Boonedox told me that the track kit is suitable for the Hobie Outback. So that's what I did. The second time going to the dock with the Outback with the Boonedox, the wheels popped out of the plastic track here. They didn't pull the track out, but they did break the track on both sides. Now, your experience might be different. My experience tells me that going on the tracks on the Hobie Outback is just a mistake. I was the first one when I did this, and other Outback people were like, this seems like a bad idea. To be like, guys, seriously, it's going to be fine. Boonedox says it's going to be fine. I honestly had like 100% confidence in it, but as you can see, it did not work out. So I'm going to do the through hull. I have the new one where it's got the metal plate for the inside and the starboard that you cut pattern for the outside. Mounts right here. That's what I'm going to do because I really do like the Boonedox kit. I think it's a good product. Just the track kit is not suitable for the Hobie Outback. Now, if you were to upgrade the back rails here to the Pro Angler ones, probably be just fine. I'm just going to go through the hull. I'm not going to mess with the track anymore. So just my 2 cents. Take it for what it's worth. Tight lines, everybody.